Hi, my name is Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg. In these series of videos we call Quick Tips, I give you educational tutorials and quick tips on how to use various Volvo models. Today's topic is charging your Volvo electric vehicle. The XC40 has a charging port located on the driver's side rear portion of the car. It's a spring-loaded door that opens up at a touch, and you can see inside there is two different types of connectors, one covered up. There's three different levels of charging on your XC40. Level 1 is your normal 110 outlet at your home. This will charge you from about 0 to 100% about 56 hours, a long time. And you can do from 20 to 80% in about 33 hours. Level 2 is what most people will select. Level 2 charger is a 240 outlet at your home. It's also the type of chargers you see a lot of times out in the public networks like ChargePoint network. This will do a full charge from 0 to 100 in 8 hours and from 20 to 80% in about 5 hours. This is a choice that most people have in their home, topping off their car whenever it needs to charge. The third level is a level 3 charger, and that will be your DC charging, which is a very fast charger. Level 3 chargers will be used generally when you're traveling across between interstates or for longer distances. They can do 20 to 80% in as few as 33 minutes, or a full charge obviously in about an hour. Your Volvo XC40 comes with a portable home charger that works both on 120 and 240 network connections. The type of end that's supplied with the 240 connection is a NEMA 1450 plug, one of the standard plugs you can get with a 240 outlet. To charge it, obviously one section goes in the wall, the other section fits into your connector on the side of the car. The level 2 chargers are these round connectors with the 5 connector pins in them, and they plug right into the charging port in the side of your car. Once you plugged it in, the car will indicate its charging status, first by indicating yellow that it is connected, and then turning to a flashing green once the power connection has initiated the charge. It will turn a solid green once it's full. To prevent people from stealing the electricity when you're away from your charging network, the charging plug locks into the port in the car, and to unlock it you must have the key on you and press the unlock button next to the charging port. Level 3 chargers use exactly the same port. You just need to uncover the extra 2 connectors at the bottom, and the full charging plug plugs right into the full port with the same indicator lights showing you the charging state. Once plugged in, your car will show its status on the center display, telling you your battery's charging level, how long it needs to charge to be full, and the charging speed and amperage it's charging at. Thanks again for joining us for this edition of Patrick Volvo Quick Tips. Please be sure to like us on Facebook and YouTube. You can visit us here at the dealership at 1600 East Higgins Rd in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day, that's the